From Flash Equipment, another Get It at Flash new product demonstration. This is the 60-inch outliner by Echo. It originally was manufactured for below the side of the vehicle, so along your running boards or below your doors. It is 2 1/4 inches deep, 1/2 inch tall, with a 1 inch lip for mounting. And I'll light this thing up for you here. It has 32 different flash patterns. I'm going to show you a few of them. Of course, I'm not going to go through all 32. It's dual color, amber white. You can make it flash all amber or all white, as well as the combination of amber white. And then there's a steady burn feature wired to a separate switch. It will come on as an area work light, so if you want to light up the side or wherever you may mount this. People are mounting these up on headache racks below the tailgate between the bumper. On many pickup trucks this will work, as well as above the cab up top and facing rear as well, so facing front and rear. It's the Echo Outliner, 60-inch, $319 at flashequipment.com, 1-800-570-8866, and you can get it at Flash.